This is a video series on using Google Earth. This video is part one of two parts on using KML files in Google Earth. In this video, we specifically explore where to find a KML file. These videos were made possible by AmericaView, Virginia View, the Virginia Cooperative Extension, Colorado Mesa University, and Virginia Tech's College of Natural Resources and Environment. Funding for this project was provided by the United States Geological Survey under grant number G14AP00002. The contents of this video and the related written tutorial are solely the responsibility of the authors and do not represent the official views of the U.S. Geological Survey. Mention of trade names or commercial products does not constitute their endorsement by the United States government. This video accompanies Section 4 of Chapter 2 and Section 9.1 of Chapter 3 in a written tutorial titled Exploring Our Planet with Open Source Software. You can find the written tutorial at virginiaview.cnre.vt.edu/education or at americaview.org/exploringourplanet. What is a KML file? Well, if you Google or do a search KML file, you'll actually go to the Google Earth website. And if you look under Earth for Chrome, it says KML support. Click on that. So what is a KML file? Well, KML stands for Keyhole Markup Language. What does that mean? Well, it's actually a file format used to display spatial data in an Earth browser like Google Earth Web or Google Earth Pro. You can actually create a KML file when you're working on a map document in either Google Earth Web or Google Earth Pro, or you can search and locate already existing KML files on the web for uploading into Google Earth. So where do we find KML files? If you notice at the top of this window there's something called Samples. Click on Samples and you're taken to this website. This is a KML interactive sampler. We're not going to go into details on this because you do need a Google Earth plugin to use this site. So let's make this more simple. Where can you find a KML file on the web? Well, you actually can find some KML boundary files for the United States from the U.S. Census Bureau. You can go to www.census.gov and look for KML cartographic boundary files. Or if you just use a search engine and just say Tiger Line KML files, and you will be taken to this census website. If you notice, it tells you right in the middle of this website, KML is a file format used to display geographic data in a tool such as Google Earth or Google Maps. You can also get shape files to use within Google Earth Pro, but we will discuss that in another video. So, what kind of file do you want? If you look under Download Files, it has a whole list of different files that you can receive or download as a KML. So let's look at one of these, and we're going to show you how to download one, and then in a subsequent video we'll show you how to upload that KML file into Google Earth. So what I did is I clicked on Regions, and then within Cartographic Boundary KML file Regions, if you go down and click on the Census Boundary 2016 U.S. Region 500K.zip. So click on that, and what you'll get is you'll get this download file. Now, as you can see, it is a .zip file. We'll talk about here how to unzip that file, but you just want to save the file. It will save directly to the download area on your computer. Once you've clicked on Save, click OK. As you can see, go to your download area, and you can see the file in your download area. All right, so now we've downloaded. It's zipped. what do we do next? What you want to do is right-click on that file, click on the file name, right-click, and you will get this window. Then what you're going to want to do is you want to extract all. Now be careful, don't extract it all just immediately to that area. What you're going to do next is you're going to extract file and you're going to choose where you want that file to go. In this case, I have found a file folder on my regular D drive, or it could be your C drive, where you want to put this. You click on the browse area, browse to the area on your computer while you want to unzip that file, and then click on it and make sure it's loaded into the files will be extracted to this folder location. Once you have done that, click on extract. What happens next is it extracts the files from that zip folder and you will end up with 4 files. As you can see, the top file is .kml. Now we will show within the next video what to do with this KML file in Google Earth and Google Earth Pro. If you have any questions with regards to this particular video or the accompanying written tutorial, please contact Dr. Tammy Parise at Colorado Mesa University or Dr. James Campbell at Virginia Tech. The email addresses are showing on the screen.